Now I want you to get in your best position. Bring your feet back a little bit more. Okay, ankles down now. Now you feel how your legs tightened up?
That's like
now tighten up your ass cheeks. Now get on your traps, not your back. You know where your traps are, right? Can you arch your back anymore? This way. There you go. You're pretty flexible for a big dude. Now here's what I want you to do. Push your ankles down. Tighten up your ass cheeks, and I want you to not lift your ass up, but push me into the wall. Push, push. See how you're going above my hands? I want you to go into the bottom of the bench press. Don't go above my hands. Okay?
Yeah.
And big drive. Big drive. You're starting to climb. You felt that, right?
Yeah, we'll see.
Tighten your ass cheeks up. Get on the balls of those feet. Tighten your hamstrings up and push straight back. Push. Push. Harder. 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 No. Remember, when you arch, where's the tip of your arch? Right here, right? And I want you to push into the bottom of the bench. So don't slide up my hand. Push yourself into the bottom of the bench. Deep breath. Ankles down. Tighten your ass. Drive. There you go. Harder. 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 Push. Slide yourself off the bench. Slide. Push. 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 Now your head's in the right place now. Okay? Now we're going to do a 10-second run. It's going to be hard. I want you to bring your feet down. Tighten that ass up. Take a deep breath. And hold your breath. Push. Harder. Harder. Ass down. Push right through me. Right through me. Harder. Harder. 5 seconds. 1. Harder. 2. Harder. 3. Harder. 4. Relax. How fucking tiring is that, bro? You feel that? Now when I'm benching 1,100 pounds, that's where I'm benching from. And a lot of you guys have heard this before. I'm going to explain it to these guys. I always have a little analogy. You know what a tsunami is? Tidal wave, right? Remember the tidal wave that hit Thailand a couple years ago? You know how big the wave was? 9 feet.
I can do stuff.
A 9-foot wave. How many guys on Malibu Canyon ride a 9-foot wave? Right. Okay. That wasn't the devastation from the 9-foot wave. Is a damage that did to Thailand. You know what damaged Thailand? All the water behind the wave.
It's a short day.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So this right here is the 9-foot wave. This isn't shit, bro. But all this, all that back drive, that's your power for your bench press. Notice how your whole fucking body got sweaty right there? You're tired as fuck now, right? I know, dude. Now, this is the power that I need you to use. All this back drive turns into this. So remember what I told you all the bench comes from? What I tell you? Inner tricep. Okay? So all this body drive, my hips and my inner triceps are connected. So if I drive here, I'm driving here at the same time. So when I'm doing reps, it's like a seesaw. I'm going this way, I'm going this way, I'm going this way, I'm going this way. Bench hog, you want to give him a shot? Good. I have a fucking shitty memory until I get you in my hard drive, because I know a million fucking people. So. Big E. Easy. Easy E. Let's do it, baby.
Which takes you up and around all of Beverly Glen Drive. So there's a cop that sits right on the right side of all that, because it kind of does the thing.
You know Kendrick Lamar? He kind of reminds me of like a modern day Easy.
Like 9.
Doesn't he?
Same hood.
No, for sure. Dude, Kendrick, you're a bad motherfucker, bro. I love your music. And I love Easy too. Easy was awesome, but Kendrick,
Kendrick's something
bro.
different, man.
Kendrick is from a whole new mold, bro. I think he's going, as long as he doesn't fuck up and get shot or something. I hope he doesn't, because I love him. I listen to his shit every
That's
day.
on Fear?
Yeah, dude.
Want me to live for you?
I was into Kendrick, but yeah, we're about to make you live. Now, get your head all the way off the bench. I mean, slide it all the way off. Now I want you to come back on your feet, on the balls of your feet like that, but not too far. We don't want to bring our feet too far back, because then when you get in position, you overlock yourself, and then you're kind of like you got no leverage, okay? So grab a reverse grip in here, in, all the way, close grip. Now, don't move your feet, okay? Go on the balls of your feet and arch. Go down and get on your traps. Now, take your shoulder blades and pinch them together. No, look at me. Look at me, not a lat spread. I want you to loosen your body and take the bones of those shoulder blades, okay? And just pinch them in.
Just this?
Yeah. Except get a close grip. Close grip, reverse. Now, arch up on your head, bridge. You know what bridging is?
No.
Okay, just go on, take your head and put it on the mat, and then bridge upward and lift your body up. Now look at me, get your head to the bottom. Now pinch your shoulder blades together. Pinch them in all the way. Bring this inward here, okay? And now get on your trap. See how you're pinched?
Yeah.
Okay, now get a grip. Now me, I go ring finger, but I'm bigger than you, so we're gonna go pinky. Okay, right to there, okay? Get a grip. Now, I'm gonna arch you and bring you into position more. Can I go down more? Or is that it? There you go, right there. Now, get your ankles down. Straighten your, no, you brought your feet back, yeah. You brought your feet forward. Now push your ankles down. Straighten your feet out.
Straighten them out?
Your feet are like this. I need them like this.
Oh, okay.
Just like that, sorry about that. Okay, get your ankles down. Now tighten up that ass. Now what I want you to do is push straight back, but don't climb up my hands. Deep breath, and push. No. Go through me. Yeah, push. Push. Push, don't climb me. Don't climb me. Push. You don't know how to throw me into the wall?
Oh, you want me to just push back?
Fucking push me through the fucking wall. Push. Don't climb, don't climb. Push into the floor, push. Hard. See here? Your shoulder blade's all the way out.
Okay.
Pinch it in. No, that was out. Look at me.
Yeah.
If I'm here,
Yeah.
okay, make believe I'm laying on the bench. Pinch. So in other words, make yourself as narrow as possible.
Like this?
Yeah, except you're lat spreading right now. You're bodybuilding.
Yeah.
Now relax your whole body and just look at me. Yeah, get the bones in more. Loose muscle. Okay? Now arch. There you go. Okay, you ready? Now tighten that ass up. Push those feet down. No, your feet are too far forward. You need to be on the balls of your feet. Now push them down. You feel that leverage you got? Okay, now tighten up them hamstrings in that ass and drive that hip right through me. Push. What are you doing? You farting?
Pushing. No,
Looks like you're gonna fart, man.
No, I'm trying to push.
No. You push through me. Through me. Okay, there you go. That was a little bit better. Nice. There you go. That was better. Now arch your back again. Get back. Okay? Bring your right foot back more. Take a deep breath. 10 seconds. Ready? Drive. Push. Go through me. Go through me. Keep going. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Harder. Relax. Don't stand up.
No.
No, sit up.
Okay.
Don't stand up.
How'd
How'd that feel?
I feel good.
Yeah, but you feel the exertion there?
Yeah. It's harder than I thought.
Right? Okay, now that was the first time you guys did it. We're gonna do another run because here, your body has what's called a programming phase. The first time you do anything, your body's like, all right, what the fuck is going on? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The second time you do it, your body's like, okay, I've been here before. I kind of got the idea now, so I'm gonna be able to push harder now. All right, go ahead, you can stand up. Crazy, huh?